Wow, almost every day Luna keep hitting 30 to 40% increase in price. Wow, this is good. It means in the past 5 days, anyone that must have been trading Luna Classic would have earned over 200 to 300% of their capital. Okay, now for me, I think constantly in the past 24 hours, Luna is hitting 33 to 38% increase in price. And if this continues throughout this new week, if this continues, I'm expecting the market cap of Luna Classic to exceed $3 billion market cap or even hit $5 billion market cap. There's a possibility for that. But one important thing I'm happy for Luna Classic is for the fact that this coin, Luna Classic, is hitting high, and even in the past 7 days, over 140% increase in price in the past 7 days, and almost 40% increase in price in the past 24 hours. And when we take a look at even in the past few weeks, you discover that no one believed that Luna Classic can do this magic. But I'm happy to see Luna rising, Luna doing well. You know, this channel we do so many kind of things, but Luna Classic has been one of the top videos we normally upload on this channel. We talk about Luna Classic because I see this coin has one coin that will revive and make a lot of people millionaires if this coin, if they get the support they want. People lost a lot of money, but people can still make huge profit. Imagine Luna Classic, the little 1, 2, or 3 zeros, or imagine Luna Classic reaching just $1. A lot of people have over 500,000 coins. Some people have 1 million coins. Now imagine what will happen. That is going to be huge profit. Okay, that is going to be huge profit. So if you ask me, I will tell you the truth. I think that Luna Classic LUNC, in the nearest future, there's a possibility that this coin will continue to rise because we're always in the signal that people still love the coin. People want to invest on this coin. People are attracted for this coin, and I believe this is not like the normal one that people will pump in money and in the next 24 48 hours everything will drop. This thing started from about $300 million market cap, and you see where it is today. So let's keep hoping and see where Luna Classic is going in the nearest future. Please, if you love Luna Classic, kindly give it a love. If whatever you think about this coin right now is doing well, please kindly say that so that we all will benefit. Because a lot of people start talking that the Luna Classic is going to rise. Some say it will still fall drastically, and I don't think so, because you can see who support coming in for Luna Classic LUNC. Please remember to subscribe, turn on notification, and once again, thank you for stopping by.